In this guide, I'm going to clear out why you can't move your WhatsApp call to another device and how can you fix it. First, check for app updates. So launch App Store or Play Store, search for WhatsApp. Once app appears, if you see the option of update, click on it. New calling features, including call transfer between devices, are only available in the latest supported versions of the WhatsApp. Next, make sure both devices meet the required conditions. Verify that you are signed in with the same WhatsApp account where applicable, and ensure both devices are connected to the same local Wi-Fi network with Bluetooth enabled. Temporarily disable any VPNs, ad blockers, or firewall apps on both devices. These services can block the local network connection that WhatsApp uses, preventing the call from moving successfully. Next up, clear cache for the app. So launch settings. Go to General, go to iPhone Storage. From the list of apps, find WhatsApp and launch it. Click on Offload app, confirm it. Then click on Reinstall app. Lastly, if the solution didn't work out for you, completely delete WhatsApp from your device and reinstall it. Before that, you will need to back up the WhatsApp chats. For that, launch WhatsApp. Head over to You page, click on Chats, click on Chat Backup, click on Backup Now. Then you can completely delete WhatsApp and reinstall it. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.